In this tutorial, let us learn how to make a curved arrow in Microsoft PowerPoint like this. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here, this is a blank PowerPoint presentation. Let me delete this. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a right arrow shape and drag it over here like this. You may manipulate this by clicking here like this. Now let me click on it, go to Shape Fill, give a fill color and go to Shape Outline, make it white outline and make the white 6 point. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and click on this. Go to Shape Fill, select this kind of fill color, actually the black type. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outlines. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, click on the Effect, go to the Soft Edge and click on here and select the 5 point Soft Edge. And let me click on it and send it to back. Now place this one like this. Now we have to edit the point of this shape. Let me click on right button, go to edit point. Now I have to change something like this, then it will look more attractive here. This kind, this is looking more realistic. Now let me select the background on, click on edit points and change the point like this one. Now this is looking more realistic. Now let me select all of this shape, press Ctrl G to make it group, and you can use this arrow shape anywhere in your slide. If you want to make it small, press Shift button and make it small like this, but you will see here is something is missing. If I make it, you will see the shadow is appeared, but if I make it more smaller, you will see shadow is not appeared here. So what I have to do actually, let me click on this shape, Ctrl C to copy or copy this kind and click on right button and paste as a picture. Now you can easily make it smaller or make it bigger, but shape will remain the same, or you can easily use as a picture anywhere in your slide, or you can easily save as a picture in your desktop. Here you will find the picture, the transparent background. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.